One thing I like to keep in my photography bag is a colored LED light. I love these things. I use them for a lot of things, portraits. I take them with me to weddings a lot of the times too, because sometimes in the venue you get really dim light. You don't have a lot of available light, so I'll bring out one of these. I'll fill in the shadows with it. I'll do like ring shots with it. I can put it behind the bride and the groom to kind of like illuminate the light behind them. You don't exactly need like a huge softbox. You can always use something small and compact like this. Mine is like battery powered, so you just charge it for a couple hours, you bring it back and you take it with you for your photo shoot. So definitely recommend it to photographers who want to get creative with their lights that don't want to spend a lot of money, because these are pretty inexpensive. You can find them on the internet everywhere. So it's just a creative way of taking your pictures and making them pop.